Spammers need to know that you are a real person. Don't stop, or unsubscribe, because once that they found you they will target you more. With spam emails, mark as spam, then delete them with text, block the phone number and mark as spam, then delete. Filing complaint against spammers. If you have an iPhone, find the spam message. Press down on it until a menu pops up. Press more in the lower right. Then, tap on the arrow icon. Now you'll see a forwarded message. Tap on the To field. Then, enter 7726 and send the message. If you use an Android phone, hold down on the spam message. Hit the forward arrow. Send the message to 7726. Even better, contact the FTC and file a formal complaint. You should have 2 email addresses, one for personal and one for business.
Hang up the minute you realize it's a robocall. Never call the robocaller back to take you off their list. That only verifies to the robocaller that they found a good number to call. Never press a number on your phone that they tell you if you want to be removed from the list. Never allow a caller to do a screen share with you that you did not call. They will be able to get into your bank account. Never give your personal information, like your date of birth, social security number, driver's license, or bank information. If you get an email from a company you deal with, don't call the number on the email, Google the company number, and call them directly. I was scammed with an email from Best Buy. It looked real and I almost let him onto my screen.
Spammers are now using local numbers to trick you into believing that it is someone local. If you don't recognize the number or ID, let it go to voicemail, because if it is a real call they will leave a message.
Use your phone's built-in features. One quick step you can do now is silence unknown callers. Instead of seeing a robocall come through, it is silenced and sent to your voicemail. You'll see it in your recent calls list. On iPhone, go to Settings, Phone. Scroll down and select Silence Unknown Callers.
On Android, go to Settings. Then, tap on Block Numbers. Toggle the Block Unknown Callers button on to